Hey guys, we have some very exciting news. We're not going to be before you long, but today...
You a preacher now? Not going to be before you long?
We won't be
Go
before
ahead,
you...
Pastor Ty. Tell the people what's going on.
Oh gosh. We just want to let you know that the doors to Elite Blog Academy is finally open. It's the very same course that we took 4 years ago when trying to figure out this whole thing called blogging. We didn't know what we were doing, and now Ruth has become our blogging mentor. And the very same course that we took and that we're still taking, because it does come with lifetime access as long as there's lifetime of the Elite Blog Academy course. Guys, we finally amassed and finally made 6 figures last year.
We did it, and Elite Blog Academy is a key core reason why we did. Think about it. How many other courses have we told you guys about? 0. Because this is the one that we used back then. It's the one that we still log into and go through the training now, because it is that powerful. It's that effective. So if you're serious, listen, if you're for real about starting an online business, this is the course for you.
And I'm happy you said online business, because there are a lot of people that are actually enrolled in the course that don't physically literally have a blog. Maybe they have a physical, even brick and mortar, but they have a current website. No matter what, you need to know how to run a successful online business and have online influence and all of that good stuff. So Elite Blog Academy, guys, it only opens up once a year. We are not privy to knowing when it's going to open ahead of time. So like, we don't know when it's going to open next year, but we do know it's open right now, only for the next 5 days. It actually closes on Friday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you are watching this video and the doors are finally closed, that's okay. Make sure that you still click the link in the description box below. Put your name on the waiting list, because your name must be on the waiting list. Your information must be on the waiting list in order to even gain access to getting into Elite Blog Academy.
It's that serious.
It definitely is. So if you guys are interested in joining Elite Blog Academy right now when the doors are open, again, click the link in the description box below and let's start the journey.
Here are some more details in case you wanted to know a little bit more about what you'll find in the course. Check this out.
EBA is the best thing that has happened in the blogging world. You need that structure, you need that curriculum to get where you want to get.
We had a very expensive, very long-term hobby, and it wasn't until we had EBA that it actually started to grow into an actual business.
I know now I'm capable of just really going and doing some pretty cool things, unimaginable things that I would have never been able to do before EBA.
Doing the things that it lays out to do is the easiest way of getting it done. It's the greatest playbook there ever could be about blogging.
As a result of EBA, I now have the confidence that I can take my blog into the full-time business that I dream about.
I get to literally craft the life that I want to live. Blogging is amazing. I gave up a partnership in a law firm. I have more than replaced my income. I would still be the hamster on the wheel if I had not done Elite Blog Academy. This is the one decision you have to make for yourself. It will change everything.
I wanted to help people create amazing transformation for themselves, to change their mindset and to stop looking at themselves as just a blogger, but as an incredible business person, and to see the impact that that's had. Like, there's nothing like that. And I am just inspired and so grateful that I get to work with them every day.
All right, guys, and if you all need other tools and information as well, and maybe you're just trying to still figure out, hey, is this whole blogging thing for me? We have a dedicated playlist just for how to make money blogging. So definitely check the description box below. We have plenty of videos to share with you some of our journey, our personal experience as well, and how we enjoy this thing called online business. We love it.
You all have a business inside of you. You have a story to tell. You have services and advice to give. Stop just holding it to yourself. There's a whole world of people out there that need you to be the solution to their problem. So learn the process, get your online business started, And Elite Blog Academy will help you do that and help you do it effectively.
Now, some of you guys may be saying, Ty and Tyler, do I really need to purchase a course like this in order to win? Yes and no. Granted, there is definitely information out there on the web, right? And you can kind of try to piece it together, but that's just it. Piecing it together, right? So we actually decided, hey, we didn't want to like try to figure it out and try to search here and search there. We wanted to learn from someone that has actually walked this journey. Ruth Sukup, the creator of Elite Blog Academy, has now amassed over and built a multi-million-dollar business, right? And so that's something that we're trying to get to, right? So we want to learn from somebody.
That's the next goal.
That's right, that's right. So we want to learn from somebody that's been there, done that, right? And so instead of trying to figure out what do we need to know next, we just said, hey, why don't we buckle down and purchase it? And I do remember when we purchased it, I was a little, my type A personality, I like to kind of like plan things out per se. But my husband here was like, Ty, we need to just take the risk. If we want to be able to go to the next level, we must take the risk. And when you said that, I was like, you're right. And I did it. And let me tell you, I have no regrets.
That's, you know, one of our favorite quotes, if you've been around long enough, you may have heard it, but it's from Tony Robbins.
Yes.
He said, if you want to be successful at something, find someone who's already successful at it and do what they did. Yep. Elite Blog Academy is Ruth Sukup telling you what she did to build her $1 million business.
And what I love also about the course, like right now, EBA 4.0 is currently open. It is actually new, so they did some updates. You guys will even see us in some of the videos.
Us up in that thing, huh?
So excited. We had the opportunity to actually fly to Florida to take part in the filming of EBA 4.0 because we love it just that much. So many of you guys have actually came to us and said, Ty and Talent, I actually am now part of Elite Blog Academy, and kudos to you. Some of you all are doing extremely, extremely well. And some of you guys actually missed out on last year when the doors were open. You were like, hey, next time it opens, please let us know. So we are letting you know. If you want to get in, guys, again, it's only open for the next 5 days. So yeah, I'm excited. And we can't forget this important thing. You will be a part of a community. If you do decide to purchase Elite Blog Academy, you will be a part of a community on Facebook where we're there. There's so many other people on there, other students, other bloggers, like everybody in there just learning together. So now's your time, so don't waste it.
And you know what's really cool? I mean, what really makes this course official, and this is how you know, like, people are standing behind this material. Ruth offers a 12-month money back guarantee.
Wow, that's
12 months. Where you see that at? Not too many places.
Yeah.
But that's how legit this course is, and that's because she knows if you do what's taught in this course, you will win.
That's right. Well, guys, we hope that you guys can join. If so, again, click the link in the description box below to get all of the details. We hope to see you there.